The bridge was right there, but this driver decided to go full off-road. He thought momentum would carry this massive logging truck through the icy river and up the snowy bank. But wet snow doesn't care about your horsepower. He hit the incline, lost traction, and now he's sitting in freezing water with a full load of timber. He tried a second time, but the result was exactly the same. Now he's stuck between a rock and a cold place. What would you do? Call a winch or try to unload right there in the water? Let me know in the comments.